Hey students, in our last lecture we had discussed about structure of report. This is a graphical representation of structure of report. As we had discussed broadly, there are three parts of a report: prefatory part, main body, and appended parts. Prefatory part further divided into title page, letter of transmittal, letter of authorization, table of contents, and summary or executive summary, in which there is objective in short, results in short, conclusion and recommendations are also discussed in short or in brief. Then there is main body. In main body there is introduction, then methodology, means the method for conducting the research, sampling design and everything else. Then results are also discussed in main body. So as I have discussed, that results should be matching with the objectives of the research. So if there are 2, 3, 4 objectives of the research, so results should also be discussed in the same way: area 1, area 2 and final area. Then in main body, limitations are also discussed. If there are any limitations, then those are discussed in main body. Then conclusions and recommendations. Then third part is appended part, that has any additional information about the report or any additional information that one who's seeing or reading the report requires. So data collection form or questionnaires, detailed calculations can be a part of appended parts or appendix. General tables, not specific tables for that research, general tables that can be obtained from anywhere, but if those are a part of a report, that can be helpful for a reader to read report easily or conveniently or understand report easily. The reader would not have to search for those tables somewhere else. It would be a part of report. That is why those are added. Otherwise, these are general. These may be available to the reader anywhere, anytime. Then bibliography, the references, if the definition or if any pre-assumptions or if any data has been taken from some past literature, some journals, some books, some newspapers, some internet articles, some other published material, a magazine. So the detail of that, along with the author name, the year, month, name of the newspaper, journal, its page number, issue, volume. If it is a website, then URL of the website, date of access. If it is a book, the name of, again, authors, the name of book, the name of publisher. All these information is included in bibliography. That's all for this lecture. Thank you.